In this video, we will learn what a candlestick is in finance. A candlestick is composed of a body and wicks, which together indicate what the open, high, low, and close price were during a given period of time. A typical candlestick looks something like this, where it has a body and wicks. The body indicates where the open and the close price were for the duration of time, and the wicks show where the high and the low were. If the body is shaded in green, like I'm doing right here, that indicates that the price opened at a lower price than it closed at, and the wicks will always indicate where the high price and the low price were during the period of time. If instead the price fell during the period of time, then the body of the candle would be shaded in red. And you can see on the right then, this is a plot of candlesticks where we have several periods moving up and other periods moving down, and everything is indicated by the candles. A candle corresponds to a given duration of time. It could be 1 minute, it could be an hour, it could be a day, it could be a whole month. The way to form a candle, if we look at the graph of price versus time, and let's say in this case it will be in hours. Let's say that the price of the underlying asset moves like this during that period of time. And let's say that 1 hour elapses right here and 2 hours right here. So then in order to form the first candle, we analyze that first period of time and we look at the various points. We note that the price opened right here, it closed over here, the high value was right here, and the low value for this period appears to be over here. Using this, we can draw the first candle as having a body that has an open right here, and a close, it looks just like a little bit higher than the open as indicated by these 2 points. The low is just a little bit below the open, and the high is significantly above the open. So it might look something like this. And since the price moved up during that period of time, it would be shaded in green. Now during the second period, it looks like the open will be the previous close. The close, the way I drew it here, will be at the very top over here. The low looks like is over here, and the high is actually the same as the close. The close at the high of this period. And so now the candle for this would look something like, so the open is at the close of the previous one, and it goes a decent amount up like that. And there is no upper wick because it closed at the high, and the lower wick is going to be a bit below the open, and that's what we have. And once again, this is going to be green. And once again, if the price fell between the open and close, the candle would be shaded in red instead. Altogether, candlesticks are a great way to quickly visualize price movements of an asset.